Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, January 17th. Hope everybody is doing well. Everything's good here. I only have a few things to share with you this week, but I have some craft projects to show you, things that I've shown you I was going to work on before, and I wanted to show you how they came out. So let's get started with Michael's. I went there today because I had seen some people hauling some of their Valentine things. I had not seen these items in my Michael's, so thank you to the people who showed them because I would not have seen them otherwise. I asked when I went in, they said they were by the checkout, so I wouldn't have looked there otherwise. So this is one of the items I got. This is a pack of, it says embellishment pack. It's from Creatology, and they had different color variations. I like the things in this one better, so I just bought this one. $4.99, and they were on sale. I think it was like 30 or 40% off. So this one comes with these little flat back gems that they're pink and red, and they have like little bits of glitter in them. They're clear. And then it comes with these little balls that you could add to shakers, pink, white, and red. And then, why don't I open this so we can see? I opened the other one I got because I did use that in a project already, even though I just got it today, but I was doing some Scrap Diva Designs design team work, so I needed something from there. All right, so yeah, that's the flatback gems. Here are the little balls. There's a ton of those. Be careful when you pour these into anything because they just bounce and fly everywhere. Here are some clay bits. These I like the hearts here. They're like double outlined in red. They're white hearts, and then there are lips in white and light pink, dark pink, red. There are little envelopes, and I think that's it in there. So, good amount there. And then there's a glitter mix that has little, looks like little hearts, open hearts. It's got some red ones, pink ones, silver. So that's cute. And then this one I really like too, this clay bit mix. It's got these little hearts that say, there's one that's facing the right way, be mine. And there were also just plain like red, white, and pink hearts. There's X's and O's. And anything else? I think that's it. So that's different. I haven't seen those Be Mine hearts. That one's backwards. Hopefully when you flip it over, it's the right way. And then there's some glitter. This is like chunky glitter in like a pinky, pinky purple kind of color. So I picked that up, and then I got this too. This is also $4.99 by Creatology, and this comes with 4 different mixes. It comes with a clay shapes mix, a gem mix, clay shapes and ice mix, and glitter shapes mix. So I really like the colors of these clay hearts. Aren't those cool? Something different, There's the outline ones, there's pink, kind of orangey. That'll go with that new Simple Stories collection. And yeah, and then there are these cute little gems. I did open it, like I said, so let me open this so we can look at each one. I just peeled the sticker back. Okay, so it just opens like that. So those are the little gems. Looks like there's pink and white. Those would be good for little bow centers or just any kind of embellishment. They're even small enough you could add them to shaker mixes. And then this is the one that I used already. This is a really pretty mix, I thought. First of all, there are these little candies. They look like peppermints, but they have a little pink heart in the center. So I thought that was neat. And then here's like a weird little stray bit. But then there are like this color pink hearts. There's a hot pink color heart, and then white. And then these are the little like icy things, I guess, good for shakers. Definitely, they help to make nice noise in your shakers. So I got that. I used some of those hearts in one of my projects. I'll get that later. And which is the one I didn't open this one to show you yet. So that's what those clay bits look like. Sometimes it's nice to just pick out the white hearts and use those as like, embellishments on your projects. And then this is like a glitter mix that has, let's see, or sequins mix. It's got these clear like hexagons. It's got the little open pink hearts and then the negative space for that. They're little flowers. And there's a little bit of iridescence to those sequins. So that's really pretty. That'd be nice to add to your sequins mixes, shaker mixes. You can mix all these together and make a really pretty mix. So I ended up, I had a $5 reward voucher. So with the sale and my voucher, I only paid like $2.11 because I had to pay tax and whatever. So, but you know, that's a good price, I thought. All right, next I'm going to get out my Pusheen box. I had a couple people ask to show you guys what was in that. So let me get that and I'll be right back. So this was a gift from my son and my husband for Christmas, and this is a quarterly subscription box to the Pusheen subscription. And it has like seasonal goodies inside. All you do is you give your size and your shoe size, because I think sometimes they send slippers maybe, and you know, like sweaters. I got a sweater in this box, so it's really affordable too. And you don't have to get the annual box. You could just order one at a time, and it's only like $43.95 for a box. If you get the annual plan, it turns out to be like $39.95 a box. So my husband did buy me the annual plan, so I'll show you the box every time I get one. This is the winter one, and I love everything that's in it. First of all, the box is so cute, and it's really big. I think it's well worth the $44, I think, or $40. It's worth more than that, actually. Look at the back, or the bottom. It's even got like the bottom of a cat paws. So super cute. And I'll show you everything that's in here. I have taken some stuff out, but I will show you. I put them all back in here to show you. So it comes with this little postcard, and it shows you everything that comes in the box. And this is all pink and aqua, and it's like baking and winter themed. So it's totally right up my alley. So the first thing is this 2-pack of pot holders, and I did have these hung up on the side of my fridge already, but this is what they look like, and they're just so, so cute, right? Love them. They've got all the cute little characters in Pusheen, if you know Pusheen, and Pusheen and her friends in the snow globe. So there's that item. And then here's a sweater that I was wearing one day and I showed you guys. Well, I mean, I was just showing you the cuff. Oh, I got a little pull there. I just washed it, so I'll have to fix that. But it's a really nice, like oversized, relaxed sweater. It's very nice and warm. It runs true to size. I got a size small, and it's still like, you know, oversized. There's a sneak peek of what else is in the box. So this came in it. And then this is, oops, hang on. This is like a silicone baking mat. So I haven't opened this yet, but I was thinking I'll probably just use it in my craft room. I usually use just like parchment paper to bake with, but you could, you know, put this on your baking sheets and bake on that, and then it makes it non-stick. Sorry, it's like really stuck. I could cut it, but I like to do things the hard way. So anyway, this is the baking mat. Let's stay in. Isn't that so cute? Oh, I love it. Love the colors. This will be great to do like, you know, anything like gluing on or your heat tools. And then this is a cake stand. Isn't this so sweet? With the snow globe, and it's got all the ruffles on it and everything. I had this on my counter above my sink, and I have a little like Valentine display on it. I just took stuff off so I could show you. And then this is also up in that display. It's a little plushie. Look, she's got her little feet down at the bottom, and it's just adorable. So cute. And then it also comes with this cake serving spatula with the little Pusheen on it. So it's like made out of acrylic. And then that's directions for how to put it together. And then this I haven't even opened yet. It's the ribbon bow vinyl figure. So let's open that up. See what it looks like. Okay. I will definitely keep this in my craft room. Oh, it's so cute. It's got like a flocked, or she's got a flocked bow on top, and just a cute little figure. So I love Pusheen, as you guys know. So that's everything that came in the winter box. Great deal, I thought. And you know, if you like Pusheen, you might want to check it out or see what comes every month. Decide if you want to get it that way. But I'll show you when the spring box comes out. I don't know when that comes, but I know the winter box is still available. So I'll link down to the site. I don't, you know, I'm not sponsored by them or anything. But all right, let me put this down. Okay, so I had hauled this macaron mold from Temu, and I told you I was going to make some macarons and show you how they came out. And I did use some clay, air dry clay that I got from Temu as well. And then I also used this that I showed you guys from Hobby Lobby. It's whipped clay. And this is cool because it comes with like decorating tips that you just screw onto the bottom and just squeeze it out. And it works out really well. So I use that for the center of the macarons. And yeah, so let me just show you one of them that I made. This one I made with white clay, and then I painted it with acrylic paint. And this is the paint that I used, Baby Pink Folk Art. And so I put the clay into the mold. First I put cornstarch into the mold. I saw that as a tip for how to use these with air dry clay, and then just stuff the clay into there and then let it dry for a little bit, popped it out and let it finish drying. And then I painted them pink. And then when that was dry, then I took the white whipped clay and just squeezed it on top of one of the layers and then just squished them together and let it dry again. And it looks really cute, right? It's a cute little macaron. So I didn't do the icing that great, but it's my first try. I think I will probably put satin Mod Podge on here. I don't want it to look too glossy though, but yeah, I think that'll look okay. So that's one that I made. And then another one I made, I used the different color clays that I got from Temu. So for this one, I used a light pink clay and then a darker pink clay. I would have made it the same color, but each little packet of clay that I got from Temu only fit into, it fit this, and then there was none left over. So I had to do two different colors. So I did that, did the white icing on the inside. And then for the top, I used this mold that I got from Hobby Lobby. I know a lot of you guys have this too. This is in the baking section. So I just stuffed some extra air dry clay into there and popped those out, and I just stuck it on there. So there's another one that I made. So aren't those fun? Those will be really nice little decor pieces. I think they're really lightweight too. When you do air dry clay and it dries, yeah, it's really light. And these are a couple more bows that I made from there. Another like dark pink one. And then this one I made with white clay, and then I painted it pink, and I added some white acrylic paint accents. Acrylic paint marker accents, which doesn't look that great now that I'm looking at it. It looks better just solid. But anyway, I thought I'd update you on that. And I think it would be really hard to do a tutorial on this because it's really easy to do, but you have to wait for it to dry. So, it would have to be like over the course of like 4 days. So I don't know. If anybody wants a tutorial, let me know, but it's just, stuffing the clay in there, letting it dry, and then popping it out and painting it. But if you want a tutorial, I'll be happy to do that. I'll just have to do it over the course of a few days. So there's that. And then remember I showed you guys the little mini tumblers. They look like kind of like Stanley cups from Michael's. I had gotten them on sale for $2.99. They're normally $5.99. And then I got these vinyl stickers from Hobby Lobby. Actually, they're not stickers. They're cold transfer stickers. So you can add these onto those tumblers and make cute little gifts. So let me show you what I made. I made 2 of them. And these are the little tumblers. Put that back on there. And the little vinyl transfers on there. So what you can do is just cut off like a strip of these and then wrap it around your tumbler and then just kind of burnish it down. And then if you take the top covering off, all that's left are the little hearts. Like there's no plastic in between the hearts. That's what I was thinking, that there would be like a strip of vinyl in between, so you'd have to fussy cut it. You don't, because the hearts just come out by themselves on their own. So very, very easy to do. And then for the bottom part here, this looks a little messy there. It didn't quite reach, but I used this roll of gemstones from Hobby Lobby. I've had this for a while. I don't know if they still have it, but it's $3.99 Paper Studio AB Clear self-adhesive roll of gemstones. So I just kind of wrapped that around. I added some glue on the 2 ends because it wasn't sticking all the way. And it's just like a little decoration. Now, I wouldn't use this to drink out of, more of, just like a way to package something. And I did make a little sequins mix. and package that in here. And it's a little Valentine mix. This is a bag I gotten from Marshall's, I think. They have little lemons on it, but this is the sequence mix I made for Valentine's Day. So I put that in there. I made 2 of them because I had 2 of the little tumblers. Here's the other one. Came out really cute, right? And so you could do that with, you know, the bigger tumblers or, you know, whatever. It's just fun. It's a really fun, easy project. And I'm going to include one of these in, I'm going to have a giveaway pretty soon. So this will be included in one of those. So stay tuned for that. I've got some other things on the way that I'll be including in that giveaway. Like I had mentioned before, I want to do more giveaways on my channel, so that's going to be part of that. So yeah, just a fun way to send little goodies, embellishments, or sequence mixes. And it's cute, right? Get these when they're on sale. I noticed they're not on sale. You could get like 30% off, but $2.99 was half the normal price. So try and wait till that. I looked on Temu. I didn't see really anything like significantly cheaper. So, you know, keep an eye out at Michael's if you're looking. This came in different colors too. I just picked up the white ones. So that is it for my little haul today. Very little haul. Some updates I'm working on. I say this every week, but I'm working on Scrap Diva Designs and KS Craft projects. My Scrap Diva Designs video will probably be out this weekend. Really, really cute projects. I can't wait to share with you. And let's see, what else? Oh, I'm doing a collaboration with a vinyl cutting machine company. It's not Cricut, but it's something like Cricut. I'll give you more details when I get it. I've never used a Cricut or a vinyl cutting machine, so this is going to be like complete beginner experience. So looking forward to that. And I've always wanted to try one, but I've been intimidated and didn't know if I wanted to spend the money. So doing a collab with the company I think is a great way, because then I don't have to pay for it, but I do get to test it out and share with you how I like it, and you know, maybe show you guys if you're new to it too, maybe, you know, make it easier for you to take the plunge. So I thought that would be a fun collab. So that's going to be on the way. And that's it. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. What am I doing this weekend? I don't know. I really don't know. Crafting. I've been crafting so much. I've been on a roll, and it's good. Everything's good. All right, you guys. Talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you're new. Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you guys to everybody who continues to come back. Love you all, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, have a great day and have a great weekend. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.